behind this too, I believe. Right, Bianca? So you're going to give us a little speech about the science behind this too, right?
I can. What we're trying to do here is
Get in there.
Volcano, because when we have
Did it sink?
Yep. Yeah. It's gonna
large
look
scale
like
volcanoes, there's a lot of gases and it creates the explosiveness of the explosion. Okay, for lack of a better word.
Bianca's from Denmark, so she might use a few extra words here.
And so that's basically what we're doing here. We're putting a little bit of liquid nitrogen at the bottom.
It's going to take, Brian,
Yeah, I got you.
the first nitrogen's going to boil off out of there, so
Yeah.
you really almost have to
Into the bottle.
put
and
more
then
in than you think you need.
when we cap the bottle, all the liquid nitrogen that is boiling at this temperature that we're sitting at right now will turn into gas. And as the gas expands, a lot of pressure builds up inside your bottle. And at some point, the bottle will blow. And then we'll have all this water carried up, just like the gases of the your magma will help push up the rocks in during your volcanic explosion.
2 years ago, we took a field trip with the department and went to Montserrat and actually sat out on the porch.
Yeah, this is where 2 bricks and so you can see how much water or liquid nitrogen goes in there. Okay. Put it! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Oh, I don't think I got it good enough. I think there was gas escaping.
Okay, so far it's anticlimactic.
Yes.
Hey, I would stay away from it for a while.
Yeah, a little bit.
Jeez! I didn't even see that, but we got that.
Whose idea was the plastic garbage can?
Perfect example of exactly what happened during Mount St. Helens. The entire side of the volcano.
Bigger next time, much bigger.
Need the steel garbage can. Plastic doesn't work for the shit. Is this yours, Laurie?
Yes, it's on.
It was.
What the pressure? I
don't want it anymore.
These bottles.
That's what happens though in a magma chamber when the sides of the volcano fail versus the top of the volcano failing. So.
Nice object, Leslie Cooper.
This is a case where the confining pressure around the outside of the, volcano is insufficient to keep that explosion
Must
kind
have
of
another garbage can.
vertically directed.
What about doing a small bottle in a 5-gallon bucket?
What about doing a 2-liter thing, or how about a carboy?
That's a lot heavier.
Well, if that first one didn't work, you might as well make the next one bigger.
And now you should be able to see a little bit better on the side, and you just want a couple inches of
Innovations.
And make sure this time you really tighten it down, Jeff. The last one was kind of leaking a little bit.
I
Yeah.
I was a little bit afraid, I'll give you that.
You know, really twist on it. Give it 5 or 6 good tight twists before you throw her in. Boy, it would be embarrassing to take her to the hospital. Especially since what I have here is my bike.
So the idea is what's supposed to happen is the water's supposed to come shoofing up.
Yeah. We're supposed to get a vertical blast.
Yes.
We're supposed to have containment on the sidewalls.
And not sidewall rupture.
Right.
But it illustrates the point.
It does. Yeah, the point was.
Yeah, that's what happened at Mount St. Helens.
Yeah, basically.
Lateral blast over here. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Oh.
Come on!
Okay, rolling.
Tight. Here comes the car.
Looks like it'll take a little while because there's a lot of volume in it.
Yeah.
the bottle?
Yeah. Bottle carnage.
Big bottle.
Big bottle, more
Bigger
action this
bottle.
time.
Well, if we can use the little bottle because we've only got a little bit of water left.
No, no, there's more water. Water was up to you, yeah. Bigger bottle, more action.
They can't tip over. Was it set on concrete before?
We didn't tip over. Get a little apart. Catastrophic sidewall failure.
We have probably.
I can't tell if it's getting more fun, but I think it's Brian. I'm thinking this would be a really interesting thing. That's water coming out. I'm thinking this would be a really interesting thing to do on a field trip. Should we talk about the UP or something, don't you think?
Okay, we ready?
Yeah, go. Go.
What really set off this system?
Yeah, seriously.
Uh-oh, he's walking.
Yeah, you might want to stand right there.
Whoa! That was awesome.
Well done. See, Matt wants to be a geology major too. Well.
Yeah, a little bit.
Jeez! I didn't even see that, but we got that.
You might want to stand right there.
Whoa! That was awesome.
Sets me off to a long child. Yes, it does. The way you squeeze and tease knocks me to my knees. 'Cause I'm smoking, baby, baby. The way you sway, okay, really wrecks my nerves, and I'm so excited, child. The way you push, let me know that you're good.
You're gonna get your wish.
I know find you. When I say time, I'll find you. You're hot, you really shoot your shot. You're down